If you want to know how to center text in LibreOffice Writer, this quick tutorial will walk you through the easiest methods step by step. Whether you're working on a new document, editing an existing file, or just trying to make your text look cleaner and more professional, centering text in LibreOffice Writer only takes a few seconds. And in this video, I'll show you the simple toolbar method and the faster keyboard shortcut so you can choose whichever one feels easiest for you. If this video helps, please hit the like button and make sure to subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. Once it launches, you can either create a brand new Writer document or open the document you already want to edit. If you're starting fresh, just click on a blank Writer document. If you already have a file open, go ahead and use that instead. Next, you need to select the text that you want to center. This is important because LibreOffice will only apply the alignment change to whatever text is highlighted. So click and drag your mouse over the words, sentence, or paragraph you want to move to the center of the page. Once your text is selected, look at the top toolbar in LibreOffice Writer. You'll see the alignment options there, including Left Align, Center Align, Right Align, and Justified. Click the Center Align button, and your selected text will immediately move to the center of the page. It's that simple. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, there's an even faster way. With the text still selected, just press Ctrl and E on your keyboard. That shortcut does the exact same thing as clicking the Center Align button, and it's perfect if you want to work a little faster. After you press it, the selected text will be centered automatically. Now, if nothing seems to happen, make sure the text is still highlighted before you click the button or use the shortcut. That's a common mistake, and it's usually the reason alignment changes don't appear. Also, remember that centering text affects the selected paragraph or line. So if you want multiple lines centered, make sure all of them are selected first. This is useful for titles, headings, cover pages, and formatted documents where you want a cleaner layout. So just to recap, open LibreOffice, open or create your Writer document, select the text, and then either click the Center Align button on the top toolbar or press Ctrl+E. In just a moment, your text will be centered on the page and ready to go. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy LibreOffice and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.